Hello again. So in this video I will talk about Galaxy Buds FE, not the 2, just the first edition. These are left and right, and I managed to lose my left one. And I wanted to make a video showing how you can sort of repair the left one to the right one, because by default it would only show up as a right if you try to pair it. And the pairing is kind of straightforward. You need to charge it to about 50%, both for the casing and the two headsets. And you can do that just in the case. And then if you want to pair it, you can do the manual one. What you do is you press down both of these while the lid is open, and it will start to blink green. If you wait too long, it will start to blink red. And in my case, you will actually see that it blinks green and red because I already did this pairing. But if you don't have them repaired together, then it will only blink green first, and then after about maybe 15 to 20 seconds, it will blink red. Now, if you try to add them to your device when it's blinking red, you will only get the old one. You will only see the right one, like in my case. So the important step here is to charge to about 50%, and then you need to connect to it with the Bluetooth on your device as you I'm just going to show you. There. Now at the bottom here you can see that it sees my unit, but I removed the pairing, and you need to do that first. You need to remove any old pairing you have with the casing and the Galaxy Bud FE. Once that's done, open the casing, press and hold, and you will see that it starts to blink. In my case, it blinks green and red, which means you're ready to pair. But originally, when I did this the first time after inserting the new bud, it only read green for maybe 20 seconds, and then it changed to red. And if you have that situation, you need to pair it when it is blinking green. Do not pair it when it's blinking red. Okay? In my case, it's already paired, so you will see it blinks red and green at the same time. And if you have your Samsung wearables app up, you will see that it sees it. But we're not going to do that. We're just going to go down to the normal Bluetooth, and we're just going to sync it there. So you pair it again, and you have to press agree to the license agreement. I don't want to send my own diagnostic data. And then it says all set. And then you should see both left and right at the top here being visible. In my case, I got only the right one showing on my first try, and I'm going to show a picture here that shows how that looks like. That means that it's not seeing the left, and that happened to me because I actually was not fast enough, so I started the pairing while it was blinking red, so it only paired up again with the right one. So it didn't show the L here, it only showed the R here. So if you get only one of them, make sure you initiate the pairing when it is green and blinking green here. Once that's done, the headset is paired, and those two will work together, and you can verify that by trying to plug them in to your ears. When you do that, it should say bling 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 in the right ear and bling 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 in the left ear, and then you know that they are both working in sync. So I hope that was helpful, and thanks for watching. Sub to the channel, like and subscribe. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one.